Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to associate line items with a deal in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to link products or services to any deal record, making your sales tracking far more accurate and streamlined. Whether you want better reporting or just a clearer view of what's being sold and for how much, this process will absolutely help you get there. Let's dive right in, step by step. First, open up your HubSpot account and head straight to the Deals section within the CRM. Think of this like walking into your digital sales room, where each deal is waiting for you on the shelf. Find the specific deal you want to update. Maybe it's that new client you just closed or an ongoing negotiation. Just click on the name of the deal. This opens the record and gives you access to all its details. Now, within the deal record, look over at the right-hand panel. There's quite a bit going on here, but what you're looking for is labeled line items. This is where you'll associate the products or services. These are the things your customer will actually receive if the deal closes. Line items are really helpful because they give you and your team a precise breakdown of what's included in each sale, so your reports and forecasting stay spot on. To add a new line item, you have two paths. If you want to add something that's already in your product library, for example, a standard package or recurring service, click Select from the product library. This brings up a list of all the products that you've set up in HubSpot. Scroll through, find what you need, and select the products that apply to the deal. Then, simply click Add. Especially if you've got repeat items or bundles you sell often, this makes it super quick to stay organized. But let's say your deal includes something unique, maybe a custom consulting session or a special pricing arrangement. In that case, just click Create Custom Line Item. Here, you get to fill in all the details yourself: the name, the price, maybe a short description. Take your time with this part. Entering clear information now helps prevent confusion later. When you're done, hit Save. There's also an option called Save and Add Another, which is perfect when you have multiple custom entries to make. Don't worry if this takes a few moments. Accurate line items keep your deals crystal clear. After you've finished adding all the necessary line items, the deal's total amount will update automatically. This is one of those moments where digital tools really help. HubSpot does the math for you, so you don't have to reach for a calculator. Give the new deal total a quick scan to make sure everything matches up with your expectations. If you see a button that says Update Deal Amount, go ahead and click it to finalize things. This step may seem small, but it's crucial for keeping all your CRM data aligned and making sure your sales pipeline is as accurate as possible. And that's it. You've associated line items with a deal in HubSpot. Not only does this simplify your tracking, but it also adds a new level of professionalism and transparency to your sales process. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical HubSpot tutorials and sales tips. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.